talk so much about Western superfoods, but what if I told you that the Philippines has its own that are just as powerful, if not more? From a bitter vegetable that helps control blood sugar to a nut that's more nutritious than almonds. I'm a nutritionist, and today I'll be walking you through 7 Filipino superfoods the world should be eating and exactly why. We'll cover their insane nutritional profile as well as easy ways to add them to your meals, whether you're a fitness buff, a busy parent, or just want better immunity and health. Let's dive in. First up is malunggay, also known as moringa. It's often called the Philippines' national vegetable, and for good reason. This humble leafy green is one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the world. Just a small handful is already packed with iron, calcium, antioxidants, and it's a complete protein, which is rare for a plant. What's incredible is how effective it is, even in small amounts. In fact, malunggay is used in malnutrition programs around the world. Studies show that just a few teaspoons of its powdered leaves a day can help improve nutrient levels in undernourished children. That's how powerful it is. You'll find malunggay everywhere in the Philippines. Backyards, farms, groceries, markets, health stores. You can also find it abroad, usually as a powder or flakes or capsules or teas. Malunggay is so easy to add to everyday dishes like tinola, scrambled eggs, rice. You can even mix it into your smoothie, oatmeal, or even pesto. It's one of those quiet superfoods that deserves way more attention. So if you have access to malunggay, go make it part of your diet. Your body will thank you. Next is pili nuts. This is one of the most underrated superfoods in the world, and it's proudly Filipino. These buttery, rich nuts grow in the Bicol region and are packed with nutrients. They actually have more vitamin E than almonds, plus magnesium and healthy fats which are great for your brain, your skin, and your energy. If you're on a low-carb or keto diet, pili nuts, the ones that are not coated in sugar, are even better than almonds or macadamias. They're lower in carbs and super satisfying. But what makes them really special is how rare they are. The pili tree grows in volcanic soil and the harvesting is all done by hand. Cracking the shell takes serious effort, which is probably why they haven't gone global the way other nuts did. You can probably find some abroad, but they're mostly grown and enjoyed here in the Philippines. They're a great example of a local food that's both indigenous and nutritionally top tier. Now, let's talk about something that's more globally accessible. Buko, also known as coconut. Yes, everyone uses coconut nowadays. It's nothing unique, but it's still very much a Filipino superfood. The Philippines is actually one of the top producers in the world, and according to researchers, coconuts likely originated in Southeast Asia, including the Philippines and Indonesia. What makes coconut awesome is how every part of it is useful, from the oil to the water to the meat and even the sap. And each form offers different health benefits. You've got virgin coconut oil, which has antimicrobial properties to support the skin, hair, and gut. Coconut water is nature's electrolyte drink, perfect for hydration, especially after working out. The meat of the coconut gives you healthy fats and fiber, and we also use coconut vinegar for gut-friendly, fermented goodness. It's one of the few foods that supports our body in so many ways: skin, hair, gut, energy. And the best part, it's deeply woven into our culture, from cooking to wellness. So whether you're cooking with the oil, drinking the water, or using the vinegar for dressings, coconut is a nutrient-packed staple that's been part of Filipino life for centuries, even before it became trendy around the world. Next up is guyabano, also known as soursop. This is a tropical fruit that is refreshing, packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants that help support your immune system. What's really fascinating about it is it has a long-standing reputation in traditional medicine. People have used both the fruit and the leaves to help with everything from boosting immunity to even fighting infections. In fact, guyabano has this almost legendary status in some cultures as a natural cancer-fighting remedy, though that part still needs more solid science. because, of course, a lot of factors come to play when it comes to treating a medical condition. In the Philippines, guyabano is easy to find in local markets, and it's gaining popularity abroad too, especially in health stores and tropical fruit shops. The leaves are often brewed into the tea, and as for the fruit itself, it tastes kind of like a strawberry and a pineapple had a creamy, tangy baby. Some also take it in a supplement form to support inflammation, blood sugar, and even sleep. So you can enjoy it as a fresh fruit, a smoothie, or a tea. Guyabano is definitely a tropical gem worth adding to your wellness routine. Next is what we call Asia's queen of fruits, which is mangosteen. Now, don't let its tough purple shell fool you. Inside is a soft, juicy white flesh that's sweet, tangy, and absolutely delicious. But this fruit isn't just great in taste. It's also packed with powerful antioxidants called xanthones, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting benefits. Some even say it can help with everything from skin health to joint pain. You'll often see mangosteen in supplement form, but fresh fruit is always better if you can get it. Just a heads up, research is still ongoing when it comes to its healing claims. It's really more known for general wellness. In the Philippines, mangosteen is more common during peak season, especially in Mindanao, but you can also find it frozen or as juice in international markets. So if you haven't tried it yet, please do. It's another yummy tropical powerhouse that you'll want to try at least once. Next, we have another fruit called calamansi. Think of calamansi as the Filipino version of lemon, but even more powerful in a tiny package. This citrus fruit is super rich in vitamin C, has more alkaline than lemon, and it's a staple in many Filipino homes. We use it in everything: marinades, teas, sauces, and even our own version of lemon water. And it's not just for flavor either. Calamansi helps boost immunity, support digestion, and can even be used to soothe sore throats. You can drink it with warm water first thing in the morning for a natural energy and digestion boost. In the Philippines, it's literally everywhere. But you can also find it abroad too, found bottled or as a juice in Asian stores. Whether you're cooking with it or using it as a natural remedy, calamansi is definitely a small but mighty Filipino superfood. And last but not the least, we have one of the most misunderstood but powerful Filipino vegetables, ampalaya, or bitter melon. I'll be honest, this is something I wish I liked, but I haven't fully acquired the taste yet. Still, I have to give credit where it's due. Ampalaya is known for its amazing health benefits, especially for lowering blood sugar. It's long been used as a natural remedy for diabetes, and it's anti-inflammatory and full of antioxidants. Filipinos usually cook it ginisang ampalaya style with eggs, tomatoes, a bit of garlic, or add it to stir fries or soups to balance out the bitterness. It's a strong flavor, but when done right, it can be both healthy and satisfying. And honestly, this is just one example of how rich and versatile Filipino food culture really is. And those were 7 Filipino superfoods the world should be eating. When it comes to the nutrients they provide, they are exceptional, and they show how rich, healing, and underrated Filipino food culture can be. If you like watching cultural nutrition videos like this, you might also enjoy my video on why Filipinos love rice and how it can work for a healthy diet, which I'll link up here. Comment below which Filipino superfoods you tried or want to try out first. And if you took away some value from this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for simple and realistic nutrition, wellness, and motivation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.